It's almost bizarre how we've been living in this universe for thousands of years and we've still not seen even 1% of it completely. But by the looks of it, we might be close to solving the mystery of creation now more than ever. And it's only recently that the scientists took a very rare picture of the universe. In this picture, we got to see our universe like never before in its truest form. And since then, it's completely changed the landscape of the space industry. So make sure to keep watching to find out all about this image. The James Webb Telescope has entered space like a savior for humanity, and it is answering all the long-lost questions of the human race. Although this telescope took 3 decades and billions of dollars to make, scientists believe that if James Webb continues to progress like it's currently doing, every penny would be worth it. The telescope has also come up with an image of our universe, which is making rounds on the internet because of how magnificent and enchanting it is. The image is the first and clearest picture of the combined universe ever taken, and in this picture, we can see thousands of galaxies. Yeah, galaxies, and not planets. So, it means that there could be millions of planets in these galaxies. This picture is taken of a cluster of galaxies which is named SMAGS, SMAGS 0723, and this cluster is located at around 1 million kilometers away from Earth. Not just this, but these galaxies are billions of years old, and some of them come close to being born right after the Big Bang. As these galaxies are older than the galaxies we've ever managed to discuss, the image and data might help us better understand the nature of early galaxies and the components they were made of. Not only this, but we could also catch a glimpse of the early universe. Some people are raising questions that how could there be so many galaxies when the picture is from a very short while after the Big Bang? Well, this question still needs to be answered, but this alone cannot completely invalidate the existence of the Big Bang. If anything, scientists are now saying that this picture proves the legitimacy of the Big Bang now more than ever. Moreover, these thousands of galaxies also tell us that there could be a planet out there that supports some kind of life. And to just know it is more than enough for scientists to continue their quest of alien life. According to scientists, the speed of light is around 186,000 miles in 1 second. It means that the image taken of the deepest universe showed us that light has traveled for approximately 13 billion years. Webb has helped scientists understand the phenomena that goes on in outer space billions of years back. The image has transformed our understanding of how exactly the galaxies coexisting in space and how deep can the infrared camera of Webb can go in space. This image has also paved the way for future discoveries, and the chair of National Space Council, Kamala Harris, has also said that this image will help us understand the origins of this world and how exactly the universe was formed. These pictures are not just the deepest photos of the universe, but also the most high definition, where we could see the galaxies far clearer than photos taken by any other telescope. The James Webb Telescope observed the same area of space for more than 12 hours straight, and then it ended up having the clearest image by using its infrared camera. The image tells us that even in such a small area of space, there are thousands of galaxies, and we can only imagine what we could find in space next. It's not just the deepest image that NASA received from James Webb, but also the image came with a whole lot of data. This data from the deepest part of the universe will help NASA understand the origin of the universe and the nature of these galaxies. It's also being said that if James Webb can capture a picture 13 billion years in the past, then it would also be able to capture the moment right when the first star shined in the sky or the first galaxy came into being. Scientists are also hopeful that James Webb will offer them the evidence that the Big Bang actually happened, and we can finally put the mystery of Genesis to rest. This image is also going to help the experts come up with newer theories about the universe. Besides, a lot of scientists and researchers have already started writing their research papers based solely on this image. So, we can only imagine the kind of impact this one picture is going to have on the space industry. The picture also shows us how James Webb take pictures from a distance that's humanly unfathomable. So, do you think we're ever gonna find our origin with the help of James Webb? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, adios from our side.